Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your SIM card. After your SIM is ready with megsApp, put it into your device. Next, to see if your SIM is working, dial *136#. Also, try using the internet to make sure it's working. If *136# doesn't work, you can contact our customer care center via WhatsApp on 063 901 0000 for help. If *136# works but the internet doesn't, you might need to change your APN settings to ws.megsApp. If you don't know how to change APN settings, we have other videos to help you. Or you can send a WhatsApp message to our customer care at 063 901 0000 and they'll guide you